Hello guys, welcome back to this series on C programming. In this video, we will learn about continue statement. So, the continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. This continue statement is almost always used with the if-else statement and inside a loop. It can be while, do, or for. So here, in this first example, we have while loops. Here we have our test expression. If the test expression is validated to true, this code will be executed. And we have here if statement to execute. If the test expression of if statement is verified to true, so the continue statement will be executed with program. The program will not continue the execution and will come back to while to test again the test expression. If the test expression of the if statement is not true, the program will not execute the continue statement and will continue this code. Same example for the do. Here we have code to execute. We have here something to test, a code to test inside the if statement. If the test expression is true, so the program will execute the continue statement and will go back to the while to test again this test expression. If the test expression is validated to false, the continue statement will not be executed and this code will be executed. The last loop we have here for. If inside the for is validated to true, the test expression here will continue to execute the continue statement and we have here the code will be back to the for to test again the test expression. The difference here between continue and break, if we have break here, the compile will take the code out of the for, but here the continue will take the code again to the next iteration. I hope you understand the basic idea of the continue statement. Now let's go to the exercise to do some practice to understand better the continue statement. In this program, we will write a code to calculate the sum of maximum of 10 numbers. If the user enters a negative number, this number will not be included to the result. So the first thing here, we have to enter 10 numbers. So here we need a loop. Let's use for loop. Int I is less than or equal to 10 and e++. We used a new variable here, so we have to add its declaration. Now we have to ask the user to enter numbers. Address of number. Here we need to add also the declaration of number. After entering a number, we have to test if this number is negative or positive by using for sure the if statement. So we have if number is less than 0, if this condition is true, or if this test expression is true, what do we have to do? We have to jump this code and we have to send again the code to the for statement. So this number will not be included to the sum. So we will do continue. If this number is positive, is bigger than 0, this code will not be executed. And here we have to add this number to the sum variable. Here we have to add the declaration of some variables. After finish, here, to enter 10 numbers, what do we have to do? At the last step, we have to print the value of sum. So we have here sum, it's equal to %d, and we call the variable sum. Now let's try this program together. So please enter a number. We will add 1, 1. Let's add a negative number, another negative number, and 1, 1, 1. So here we have the sum is equal to 9. So here, those two numbers, minus 9 and minus 9, are not included to the sum. That's why we got as result 9. Here we have 9 numbers, positive, and we have 2 negative numbers. Here we can change this one from 1, because in the exercise we have from maximum of 10 numbers, but here we have 11 numbers, so this one must be started from 1. Let's try again. For example, minus 9, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. We will enter negative numbers and 1. So the sum is 1. You can see here that all negative numbers are not included to the sum, just we have the last number, which is positive. I hope you understand this exercise and you understand the basic idea of continuous statement. Please do not hesitate to leave us a like or a comment if you didn't understand something, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.